Hi guys, welcome to lesson 4.4, adding images and videos to your Google form. So there's several ways to add images and videos inside your Google form, and Forms makes it really nice to be able to incorporate these type of media things that can be part of quiz questions or a video you've created that someone needs to watch as part of the form for their response. So there's a couple different places or ways you can add images. So we'll start with the menu over here on the side. So one of the options is to add an image just as a part of the form itself, not necessarily as an answer or part of a question, but just kind of its own section. So if I just click Add Image, you can see that we can upload. You can take a snapshot with your webcam. If you've got the web address, you can do a Google Drive search. You can search from your computer. We'll do a quick search here. We'll do dog, okay? Like this one, okay? So you see it's going to add its own question, quote unquote, or section here. Now notice the only thing that's in this is the image and then the image title. You can see here on the drop down, I can choose which way I want to do it, whether I want it to be left aligned. Center is going to move it over slightly. So I can just, maybe this is something where you want students to look at an image and then reflect or analyze or sort of do a quick write on what they see. This doesn't have any questions with it. We could put questions down at the bottom more that says, refer to the image above. So that's one way to use it. You can duplicate that, obviously delete it. Also then here, you can do some hover text, meaning when I hover my mouse over this, that pops up. This is really good for accessibility. If you've got different things going on, if you want to add the hover text, you can, but you don't have to. In the same fashion, right below the Add Image button is Add Video. So you can do the exact same thing. You can do a quick YouTube search, or if you've got the URL of the YouTube video, you can go there again. Let's say we'll do dog again on the video search. We'll go there. Basically the exact same thing. This time though, it's going to embed the video. Okay, I'm going to put this in the middle and I'm going to title that, and then you can actually watch the video inside of the Google form. So it doesn't take you to an outside location. If your form is in lockdown mode, like you would have on a quiz, it doesn't allow or doesn't take it to a different tab, but you watch the video inside of the form or the quiz itself, which is really nice. So those are adding them sort of as their own sections. There are also some other image options. Here I'm back up on this multiple choice quiz. I've got how old are you? I can actually add an image to, we'll just do this, okay? We can add an image to the question itself. So it's got a question and then the image shows up and then we've got our responses here. So we've got a chance to use those. I can actually add images as part of my responses. So if I want to have pictures as my answers instead, we'll just do this, okay, since this is a 5. We can actually add images that are part of this. And you don't have to have text here at all. So I could just have images as my answer choices. I can put text if that helps. But we've done this a lot. Which of these is a mammal? And then there's no text, there's just pictures of options. And so that's a cool way to use the images as well. So you can actually add images on their own here as their own section, and then you could refer to those images. You can add images as part of the question, or you can add images as part of the response. So that's adding images and videos to your Google Forms. Thanks.